The official, as the mist slowly rises off the kegs, like some primordial starting to a party. It's like the Middle Ages beginning once again, the feasts, the endless feasts. The barbecue pit is about to flame up. It's the beginning of it all. This is the true beginning. The beginning of the stereo is always a rough procedure.
The family's gone now, you know. Hey, sweetheart.
This is the official out the field Taylor outfitting equipment. We have everything on this outfitting expedition. We trim clothes, we drink beer, we shoot fireworks, play good music. Festivities have no end, no limits. Bandoleros! Bandoleros! Pile them together, Jay, pile them together.
Crisscross it. Crisscross it. Make a little pile.
Dave, lighten off the official bandolero. The mortar maker is out. The trench digger. Dig the holes for the mortars. Wait.
Hey, you mind if I ask you guys a few questions? Sure. Do you ever fear for your life doing this? I don't know, man. Or is it just like, you know, just
I fear for my life every day.
Yeah?
I fear for my life coming here. That's the only thing I fear.
And then when the crackheads start coming across the street.
No problem. Yeah, fuck the cut now. Hold it though, don't lose it.
The official.
I'm at a loss for words, Andy.
Preparing for mortars.
So what's Andy?
So how many years
Remember
have
how
you been doing this?
2 years ago we put a foot through the pad of pipe?
Yep.
This year we're gonna put Steve's dick next to it.
Oh man. Holy shit, we're moving up in the world, huh?
So to speak. Here we are at the party. It's like people are enjoying themselves. How you doing?
I'm doing real good. How about you doing?
I'm alright, man.
I tell you, man, I can't believe that you guys drove. You went 4.5 hours.
Up to the
Remember
hour.
Andy with the red hair? You know, yes, you do. My cousin's friend. He always does everything. They went 4.5 hours. No, he's not a biker. He's not a biker. My cousin's friend. They drove 4.5 hours upstate. He was on this fucking geological expedition. To kidnap him, they said somebody died And they brought him down here. They got here at like 6 o'clock in the morning to get him here. You know?
So that should tell you how fucking serious we are.
You're
That's
sick.
You're sick to all of you. Yeah.
So a little tired, that's all.
A little tired. How many hours sleep we getting?
I don't know, 3 or 4 or something.
3 or 4, something like that, huh? You're gonna be feeling good by the end of the night.
Yeah, I'll be alright.
Oh yeah.
I'll be asleep.
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir. Mind if I ask you any questions?
No.
No? You wanted by the police or something, or what?
Maybe.
Hey, you.
I gotta interview someone here. How you doing?
Fucking great.
Fucking great. You want to be interviewed or what?
Not right now.
Not right now. You
Fuck that. Yeah, I'm stuffing my fucking face.
Okay, I hear you.
It's good.
Yo, Robbie,
Who is the camera shot?
Well, I don't want to be a fucking camera. You're gonna be on camera.
How you doing?
Heather. Heather. Look, we got food. This is Heather right here.
Say hello, Heather.
Just say hello. Got the
All right,
hot dog.
who's playing with that hot dog? What's going on here?
Wait. You gotta do this, all right?
There you go.
If you could describe this event in one word, what would the word be? Party, yeah.
There's a little yellow man in my
Orgasm. That is an orgasm. That's a little bit more specific.
Multiple orgasms.
Wait, I gotta talk to this guy here.
Hello.
How you doing?
We're taking a poll. A survey is who has the beer? I have the beer. I was wanting to know who needed the beer. This has been a bicentennial moment. Have a nice day.
As one patriotic man.
Who needs the beer?
All of us.
We all got beer.
So you provide the entertainment this party.
That's me. You got a beer?
So you're gonna be playing a whole variety of music, or just some rock and roll, some raps, and. All right, how you guys doing?
Right, man. Smoky, man. Smoky. Stop
Enjoying
crying,
the party,
Stop
what?
crying.
Woohoo! Put on those goggles, man.
I don't want to jab nobody, but just put one of those away from me, all right? A burger?
Give it a fucking dog.
So how much food you got here? Estimated.
Plenty of fucking food, plenty of drinks. Keep the woolies out, we're doing all right.
That's the philosophy.
You were down in the lifeguard party.
All right. Very beautiful, beautiful.
Got a beer?
Yeah, I got a beer.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, thanks.
Now you got a real pisshead.
There he is. He's the chaperone at the party. Walking around, making sure nothing gets out of hand. He wouldn't want any danger here, that's for sure. Well, we're going over to the mortar range. Gonna see what's developing here. If anyone's been killed yet.
Definitely not her fucking food.
Dude! So, were you here last year?
Fuck yeah.
Fuck yeah.
2-year veteran. This is my fucking boss.
This guy's been here forever. I know this guy. I see this guy.
Founder, man. I'm one of the founding fathers.
Founding fathers of
See how it ties back to the Revolutionary War here? One of the founding fathers.
Some would think that we're here for the shallow purpose of drinking beer and having a good time.
Really?
Nah.
No.
We're celebrating our country's fucking
Lead us.
See, this guy, I like this guy. This guy's got the right idea. You gotta see through the trivial bullshit and get right down to the heart of it, right?
I mean, on the surface of it, it looks like we're just here for a good time.
Yeah, we're just like here to be destructive, right?
Fucking Rivera.
I didn't think he was gonna make it.
No. We're far from being destructive. Just because we set a gas can on fire and watched it burn for a half hour doesn't mean we're destructive. And we did put it out, so we're doing all right. God!